Good morning. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. New day, new trade. Let me show you the date. Today is Wednesday, November 18th. Market looks really good. A little bit of weakness in the NASDAQ. Big news of the day really is crypto shooting up past $17,000. In today's episode, I'm going to explain a cover call. I'm going to roll forward. Most likely I'll roll up and out. But before I show you that, please like, subscribe to my videos. Let's help the YouTube algorithm share my material with other users. I'm here to help people win with money. I like to share and show people what I'm doing and explain a little bit of the math and the logic behind my trades. So in today's trade, I was thinking about rolling a cover call that I have for FSLY. I bought FSLY not too long ago, maybe less than 2 weeks. And you see I have a cover call on it. And what will it look like if I roll? So let me explain the history first. Let's go to the spreadsheet. Here is my trusty spreadsheet that I have all my trades. You'll see that. I put a filter on FSLY, and you will see that I bought it, here you go, on the 5th. So if you do the math, the 5th is less than 2 weeks ago. I'm already up. So for today's video, let's not worry about that. I want to show you that I collected 100 already on the first, literally the day I bought it. I wrote a cover call, and then I rolled it last time for another $128 profit. Okay, so why am I rolling again? So let me show you where it's at today. And FSLY actually opened up earlier, now it's down. So there's still a premium, and that's what I want. I'm going to roll forward or roll out 1 week, and I'm going to roll the strike price up. Now you say, why am I rolling up? So we'll just take a quick look at the historical price. And I want to show you when I bought it 2 weeks ago, obviously I paid $74 for it. And I bought it on the 5th, I believe. So I overpaid. I bought it near the open. I paid $74. It went down that day. But really what I want to show you is look at the trend. So my strike price is 80 and it's going to expire on Friday, this Friday. So what are the chances of this thing going past 80, right? That's what you have to ask yourself. And you see it's uptrending the last few days. So whether or not it ends at 80, I don't really care. That's not what I'm playing this for. I'm not trying to be exact in the science. What I'm trying to do is hold this for the long term and collect some of the income that's generated from using the cover call option. Okay, so I'm going to load up FSLY. We see that. And I'm picking so it's 2 days expiration. I have an 80. So that is this one here. And you see the delta is 36, 34% chance that it's going to cross or finish in the money. And that's what I'm showing here. I got the contract expiring on Friday. I got an 80 strike price. -1 means I'm shorting it. So what am I planning on doing? I told you I would like to roll out 1 week and roll this thing up $1. So let me show you what that looks like. So here on ETrade, it's as simple as toggling this off, toggling this back on, and then looking at the new strike price that I wanted. So what I'm doing is I'm moving this thing out to a 81, which is here. I'm just moving it 1 bucket. You can pick different buckets. I'm not worried about the odds are being right or wrong. It says there's a 35% chance of happening or a 0.39, right? Or it was 40 earlier, but 0.39 delta and the odds. So why am I picking 81? Well, there's no particular reason outside of it's just 1 bucket higher than my last one. The odds, it's saying it's a high probability of something like this may happen, right? So 35% chance FSLY is going to close above 81 next week. But As a trader, I just want to try to collect as much credit every week as possible. And because Fastly is very volatile, let's shoot for 125 first. Because Fastly is very volatile, I'm going to try to take advantage of it. And that's what I'm doing here. The other thing that's helping me make this decision is I'm moving the buckets up by 1. And at this point, when I'm playing cover calls, I'm not really looking at the odds and the percentages. What I do know is this. Because Fastly has been on a run up, at some point my logic is, can it be positive every day? You see this? It was $60, then it went up to 80, and so it's trending up. My bet is, sure, it may go above 80, 81, or 82, or whatever it may be, but I'm assuming there has to be a red day coming up soon. And so as a cover call investor who want to go long on this stock, I don't care if this thing closes a little bit under 80 by Friday. What I'm saying now is let's take the win. I already made money, and you can see that here. I already made money on this one. Right, I made $100 the week before. Then this week I already made another 128. And if this trade goes through, I'm moving the strike price up, and that's what I did here. You see this? It was a 78.50. I moved it up $1.50. Now I'm moving it to 81. Whether Fastly goes to 81 or 77, I don't really care. I'm trying to generate some income each week using cover calls. Hopefully that made sense to you. Let's see if the trade went across. I'm just going to lower it a little bit closer to that. And let's see if it goes across at this point. Okay, took a little bit longer. But there you go. Fastly went across. So I collected another $100 and I think $18 if you minus the commission. So it doesn't mean that I know where Fastly is going to end up, whether it goes up or down. But what I noticed was the market did turn, Fastly moved to green. So I put in the trade, Fastly went down, it went into the red, now it's in the green. I don't really care. Like I said, could I have left my cover call for Friday at $80? I could have. I don't really care. What we're saying is I had a strike price for 80 for 20 on the Friday. I moved it out 1 week, moved it to 81. Does that mean I know that it's going to be under 81? No. I'm not saying it will be, but what I'm doing is I'm trying to play for the income, and every week I have to roll it. And I like to get ahead of it before this thing moves too fast. If it shoots up to $83, $84 this week, I'm going to be in the money, and it becomes harder and harder to collect a bigger premium. Now, some of the math is weird, right? Because what happened is for every dollar you're in the money, the option price moves the same. And so it's just a little bit harder for me to make what I want. So I want to get ahead of it, roll it out now. I think I can make good premium every week using Fastly. And here you go. This is what it looks like in my brokerage account. I don't copy these transactions until tomorrow. Again, I log everything into my Excel transaction log, and I track each trade, and I do the math so I know am I making money or not. I have a historical view of every kicker. That brings me to the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm working on something really interesting. I'm working on some velocity banking video, and I'm explaining the math, and it may be a good video for you guys if you're interested in understanding some of these other topics that I work on. Let me know what else topics you guys want me to cover. Drop a comment below. Let me know what topics, and if it's something that I'm good at, or if it's something that I have an expertise in, I will create a video covering those topics and try to teach a new topic. But for now, I'm going to stick to what I know. I'm going to show you my trades. So let's share this message. Let's hopefully help everyone win with money. Let's do this together, and let's do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day.